What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I've made kefir before, but it seemed to never come out right. Don't ask me how. Maybe I was trying to make yogurt, I don't know. But I swear I've done it before, and we're about to do it again. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna do probably a follow-up video, or maybe I'll just finish it with some clips of this video. I got some clips like at the store. Also, I was thinking about getting some outside clips because the scenery was really nice. The sun was setting. And yeah, let's get to it. I mean, it's a pretty simple recipe. I just opened it up. I'm gonna show you what I have right here. I got this from the store. You're probably already gonna see it in the video. Apparently you can use milk, juice, or coconut water. It comes with a little pamphlet and 4 of these guys. So it says it only takes 1 packet, and all I have to do is pour a quart, which is gonna be a mason jar or a pint. And I just want to add 1 starter culture and stir gently. Make sure it has its air open so air flows through it, and sit at 72 or 74 for 12 to 8 hours. That's probably going to take longer. Since we're doing milk, dairy will sink into the consistency of heavy cream or thicker. Okay, so we're just going to be starting the batch. Probably this is probably activating the batch. This is what I would imagine. Yeah, this is starter culture. Okay, I'm going to put the camera back on. That's the milk I got right there. I just got it basically. Now it's kind of cold. I don't know, I was thinking about if I'm gonna heat it up just to get it warmer. We're gonna pour a quart in here. Quart right there. We're gonna throw one of these packets in there. I actually have scissors. I just was using these actually. This milk's kind of cold. I'm gonna warm this milk up actually. So let's stir out the pot. I got this nice ceramic pot. Let that warm up a little bit. Says 72 to 74 Fahrenheit, 12 to 8 out, or 12 to 18 hours. This is slowly heating up. Gotta throw some away. Alright, we're just warming up the milk. It's actually good. Got some milk on the stove. We're gonna stir the packet in now. Hopefully this comes to grains. This is like powder. I've never seen powder before, but we'll see how this goes. It should develop into little balls, almost look like foam, but they're just clusters of bacteria basically. We're gonna get a spoon. Get this nice. We'll probably I might either get a cloth or just a rubber band. Piece of paper would probably work. I'm not really afraid of bugs. That's the reason why you have to cover it. I probably will not even cover it. It's not really a big deal. You can drink a bug or whatever. Pick it out of there. Alright, so that's basically it. Yeah, I might even just leave it like that. It's really simple. Thanks for coming by and checking out this video. I'm just gonna keep an update. Maybe I'll come back and, you know, finish up with some different clips, let you know. Maybe I'll make a whole separate video for that. But yeah, once it gets done, it's gonna thicken up basically for the milk. All right. Thanks everyone for coming by. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay.
There's a car coming.
Yeah, I see it. It looks crazy when I don't get the road in there.